Good morning, y'all. It's cold, and I'm gonna try to start a fire. And yes, I'm in my onesie again, and I wish I had a whole bunch of them because I would just live in them. And I don't have shoes on because, honestly, I hate wearing shoes. If I can't wear flip-flops, I kind of don't want to wear anything, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna try to start a fire. The wood is wet again. So I'm gonna try to get it going. And I'm pretty sure you can get a fire starter with potato chips because they're greasy. And I've got still some cotton balls with Vaseline on them. That helps get started. And then I've got a little candle here that I'm kind of getting the wax melty, so I can put that on there. Let's go ahead and do some of that right there. I don't know. It's cold, man. So I'm gonna try what I can do. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out though. Okay. Oh, this is funny. We're gonna try this. Let's see if potato chips will catch on fire. What? Uh-oh, maybe. Whoa. Okay, let's see. Maybe. Uh-oh, maybe. Ow! That's hot. Wait. Ow! Okay, wait. I don't know. I don't know. Ah! It might help if the lighter worked. Oh, yeah. My life. Okay. And I don't have any, like, I better get my clothes on. I don't have any, like, dry kindling to put on there. So, it was a long night, y'all. Tons of bad dreams. Had some people here on YouTube last night lift my spirits like they'll never understand or realize. I appreciated it so much. So, if I get the fire going, hopefully, then I'm gonna get some God time in. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I need his help. I need God's help. I hope that works. Today's day 96, clean and sober. Me, day 96. Woo! I love this onesie. And maybe I'll put on some makeup today and be a real girl. Sometimes I feel like when you're with somebody and they would rather you not put your face on, at least that's what they say, and then I get used to not doing it, and then I start wondering, wait a minute, why were they saying that? Because this is me, no matter what. But for my entire life, I've put a little bit of something makeup on. Look at these potato chips. Can you see that? Ah! And that was kind of the last of my food. Oh. Well, no, I've got some ramen noodles. But anyways, I feel like after thinking about it and pondering about it, my self-esteem has gone all the way down. I mean, I've never felt so lost, alone, miserable, lonely, unattractive in my entire life. And ow, stepped on something. But let's just go ahead and throw out there. I'll be 54 in December. I'm menopausal like nobody's business. Hot, cold flashes. It's incredibly uncomfortable and crazy. And then getting clean and sober, that throws a whole nother thing in the loop. And not having a job and nowhere to live makes it a bad combination. But, man, let me tell y'all, what a testimony I'm going to have when I make it through this. Ah! Woo-hoo-hoo! That's what I have to focus on. I'm thanking God in advance because, He's going to take care of me. I know He is. He already has been. Look, I'm just glad to have these potato chips to light a fire with. You know what I mean? And I'm glad I have a cup of coffee. I don't know where it's at though, and I'm glad I've got my dog Chili and Jashobium, and I pray that God finds a way for me to be able to keep both of them. Okay, I don't want to cry. I'm menopausal. I cry a lot and sweat a lot. And let's talk about the weight gain from menopause and not doing drugs. Listen, when I do make it through this, because I'm going to, and I'm going to come out on top, I am going to be such an awesome testimony for God. And you know what? He's going to raise me up in front of all the people that have put me down. I want to say to the person that put me in this situation, but I'm grown. I made my own choices and decisions. But let me just tell all of y'all, don't trust anybody but God when they say, oh, give up your place. You don't have to work, give up your job. You don't have to do any of that. It'll be fine, give up your place. Yeah, men and women, don't trust anybody that says that. Never, ever, ever, ever. But that's okay, because had I not done that, had I not given up my apartment that I had for 4 years, or my job that I had for 4 years, I would still be on drugs, still be drinking, and I wouldn't have rededicated my life back to God. So I have to thank God for all this hard time. I'm going to praise Him in the good times and the bad times. And boy, right now, whew, depression's trying to get me. Oh man, I don't think these potato chips are lasting. Oh no. No. Maybe, I don't know. Let's try some more Vaseline stuff. So, uh-oh. Oh, wait. Maybe I should have done that. Wait. And you know, nah, I'm not even gonna say anything. It's not worth it. So, let's see if we can get this fire going. I don't even know. Chili, come here. Oh no. I don't know. Maybe I should just like chip it out of there. Maybe I should do that. Let's see. I'm just gonna dig some of this candle wax out. I don't know. Let's see. Will that work? Maybe. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay. Look at that. I think I'm doing it. I think I am. I think I can. I think I can. No. I know I can. I know I can. I know I can. So today, I've got to go find someplace to take a shower because this trailer doesn't have running water. I've got a water hose out here. I'm so grateful for that. I put a trash bag in the toilet and I pee in it, and then I take the trash bag out. That's how I go to the bathroom. But it does have electricity, so we're so good on that. But I need a shower. Maybe I'll feel like a human again. And I don't know. Ooh, that wind is blowing. It's cold. I was a glove in the way. Check it out. I found my coffee. Why did I just want to sing Parajaka? That, I don't even, that's stupid. I'm going to sing. My God is an awesome God. He reigns in all the earth. I can't sing. But boy, out in this open field, I'll be giving God praise like I'm a good singer. Okay, so today the goal is find a place to take a shower, put some face on. Before all that, I gotta have some conversations with God, and I need to work on getting Sooner Care. I don't even know if I'm eligible for it. I need health insurance so bad. And look for a job online because it's hard to find a job when you don't have anywhere to live. But it's going to be all right. Because you know what? I thank God in advance for an awesome job. I've worked the front desk in hotels since 1995. It's a long time, y'all. Most of the time I did audit in the hotels, front desk. I love hotel work. It's what I do best. But anything's anything right now. And then, so I'm thanking God in advance for a job and a house of my own. I don't care what it looks like. If I had my wants and my druthers and my desires, just a house that I can have both my dogs. They're good dogs. They're not dogs, they're babies. Hey, I think the wax on the fire is the key to things here. Anyways, I'm gonna go
heat up my coffee. Actually, I'm gonna heat up my creamer because I like a little coffee with my creamer. Wait, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Wait, can you see it? Anyways, okay, guys. This is what we're doing. So, wish me luck.